I wanna get numb, 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 numb.
Hi guys! So I'm here at Cafe de Balagtas and I think this might be your next go-to cafe. Ang ganda ng vibe nila, super spacious, malinis and ang cozy ng ambience. Perfect siya for big groups, pwede for meetings, celebration, or kahit chill hangout lang. Now let's talk about the food. First, their baked lasagna. Sobrang cheesy niya ha and may chunks pa talaga ng cheese sa loob. And then next, yung nachos overload. Grabe, ang creamy ng sauce nila and hindi siya nakakaumay. Then we have their clubhouse sandwich with fries, classic but super sulit. But my favorite, the chicken pops. You guys need to try this. Crispy on the outside but super tender sa loob. And mas masarap pa when you dip it in the sauce. They also offer rice meals and I tried their tapa biniyang. Sobrang lambot ng meat and ang sarap niya especially when paired with suka. And of course, for the drinks, my favorite iced biscuit latte. Overall, 10 over 10 yung experience talaga. So if you're planning a date, family bonding, or kahit catch up lang with friends, this place is perfect. Super sulit and affordable pa. They're located at 361 MacArthur Highway, Wawa, Balagtas, Bulacan. And open sila from 10 a.m. to 2 a.m. So guys, try nyo na sa Cafe de Balagtas, you won't regret it.